To the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely and delicious pork belly in the oven. Very tasty and effective recipe. If this is the first time watching this channel, just let know you're welcome. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Let's get into the video. So to make this delicious pork belly, I have some pork belly here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to marinate it. And I will take you straight through the process. First thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some mustard, whatever mustard you have. Just go ahead and add some mustard to it. Dig in. Make sure it's coated with the mustard. Next, I'm going to go in with some paprika, also with some mixed spice and some all-purpose. So I'm going to go in with this. Next, I have here some jerk dry rub. Get that all over. Next up, we're going to get our baking tray and lay down some foil like this. And on the foil, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on it. So get yourself some olive oil on this. Then you're going to lay your pork belly down. Next, we're going on with some chili flakes. And then we're going to put some honey over this. So next we're going to do, make sure you wrap them up. Then I'm going to use another piece of foil, put over this. And then we're going to put it in the oven. So make sure you set your oven for about 250 degrees. Meanwhile, the oven is going to make our sauce. We're going to use some bit of ketchup. We're going to have some honey in this. Bit of mustard. And some thyme. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of some jerk marinade in this, just to give it a bit of heat. So now I take the pork out of the oven. So I'm going to have a look how it is. But the main reason why I take it out now is because I want to take it out of the foil. So when you do it like this, what you're doing is soften it up. Look at that. You get it soft up, and then you're going to put it in the oven back just to get some color. Look at that. Look at that. That's what you want. So I'm just going to take it out and put it on the tray. And all the juice, just pour it back out on that. pour the juice out like that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put it back in the oven and let it catch some lovely color. Stay tuned. So what I'm going to do now, that same sauce that I make earlier, we're going to take it, just brush some over it, and then we're going to put it right back in the oven. So now remove it from the oven, and we're going to give it our last and final brush. And then we're going to put it back in the oven for about a minute or two. Look at that. So now our pork is ready. Just going to put him on the plate. Look at that. So that's our finished product. Ladies and gentlemen, please do remember to like, share, and subscribe.